Hey everybody, this is Marcus Eligan, broker owner of Mortgage Experts, your favorite mortgage expert in the mortgage industry. I just wanted to come by and continue our renovation series. I'm going over now, we've talked about several different phases, so if you didn't catch those videos, be sure to go back and look at them. But today we're going to talk about more about the contractor and how they get paid. So like I said before, every lender is different. However, some lenders give the contractors draws depending on how big your job is. Now, the minimum is $5,000. So we need to basically have a bid for at least $5,000. And I've had clients go all the way up to $200,000-$300,000 in repairs before. So it all depends on your loan amount or your bid or estimate amount of how much it costs for the repairs. And that will determine how many draws are allocated for your contractor. If it's under $30,000 or $35,000, that's the FHA 203K loan. Typically, they will give the contractor a third up front, a third through the middle, and then they won't get any more money until the job is complete. That's how most renovation loans work. So it's very important to make sure that your contractor is financially sound, as well as they've done a renovation loan with a lender before, so that they're familiar with how they get paid and to make sure that they're financially sound to be able to continue and finish the job. I hope this is great information. If you need more, feel free to reach out to us at 301-341-2200. Have a great day, everybody.